Let us remain steadfast and loyal to our beloved party ZANU-PF. Sarapina mashoko kuda panguva ino anouya achitaurwa panapa neGifford Gomwe yaanouya nyuka achinzi Gomwe message to Zimbabweans. Revolutionary greetings. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tibina munaumu kuda nyuka mchinzi comrades. Let us remain steadfast and loyal to our beloved ZANU-PF party. Our party has clear policies and guidelines that serve the interests of the masses of Zimbabwe. However, it is the personal interest of some individuals that often misdirect the party's vision and the people's aspirations for personal gain. We must remember that leaders come and go, but the party remains forever. Therefore, I urge those privileged to lead to refrain from tarnishing the good name of our sacred party with their wayward behavior. Let us honor the memories of our heroes who made the ultimate sacrifice for our liberation. Some of them have their remains still lie in the trenches, the mountains, awaiting a decent burial. We must draw strength from their courage and resilience. Revolutions are not won easily. We go through hardship, pain, and patience, but with perseverance our time will come and we shall rejoice. To those awaiting to their turn to lead, I implore you not to follow in the footsteps of those who have brought suffering to the people of Zimbabwe. Instead, let your leadership bring relief, joy, and unity to our nation. Together we are one. We are our own liberators. Thank you, Gifford Gomwe. Doma shmata wana Gifford Gomwe ari kuyapana nguva ine. Vari kuona kwanzi the ruling party ZANU-PF mune a backlash. Muri kuona kwanzi mune matensions aripo ekuopozana panhau dzeCentral Committee co-option yakuda kwachitagurei, nhau dzesuccession nhau dze2030 nchokuside uko wachionekwa vana bomb showcase again. Zvese zviri kuona kwanzi these all situations they are mounting. But panguva ino Gifford Gomwe ari kuya achivaudza achiti aiwa maZimbabweans nemamembers of the ruling party ZANU-PF ngatirambei tiri steadfast and loyal to our beloved party. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell.